How to review collection activity on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review collection activity on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings, and here you will find activity log. Click on it and then click logged actions and other activity. Now just go down until you find the collection activity, click on it, and as you see here you can review collection activity on Facebook Lite, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.